Hey guys, how's it going? How to update Netflix payment method. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, and double check if your Netflix app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it, and if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead to my browser, and basically, if you want to update the payment method, you can go to manage payment info page. You may need to sign in if you haven't already. Some payments option will direct you to their website to complete the update process. And if you'd like to change how you pay for Netflix, we have several they have several payment methods. You could just start by logging with your account basically, and then just go ahead into your Netflix at the top right here, the Netflix icon, which your emoji, and then you're gonna see the settings of your Netflix. In here you're gonna see manage payment info, and then you can change it to a credit card, or you can even change it to plenty of payment options that that's been offered by Netflix. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and we will definitely see you in the next one.